This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Pretty as a picture. Front enclosed porch faces east to capture the Intracoastal River breeze and large backyard to relax in. Open floor plan makes entertaining stress-free, and interior bonus area includes washer and dryer. The owner has agreed to include the furniture to make your move an easy one. Just bring your suitcase and toothbrush. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.